Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the Gcam VSC stock cam of Samsung Galaxy A71 test. So in this video we can clearly see that the stock camera takes more saturated photos while Gcam takes more close to life photos with more details. We can see that the Google camera is a little bit poor on the shadow management, but stock cam manages the shadows properly. Here the stock camera captured more details on the water drops than the Gcam. However, stock camera's photo is a little bit overexposed. This is a low light shot and you can clearly see the details on the Gcam app. It has less noise and it does not look like an oil painting like the stock camera of Galaxy A71. As always, the shadow management is also poor here. Okay, I have to explain these four photos in details. The first picture, the stock cam's normal mode, you cannot see the sky properly, and the stock cam's night mode is also weak as well because there are stars in the sky and you cannot see them in the stock cam's night mode. However, Gcam's normal mode is already stronger than the stock cam's night mode because you can see orange belt stars at the top left corner, and Gcam's night sight has properly exposed and kept all the stars that are clearly visible to normal eyes. Gcam's night sight is certainly much better. Okay, let's go outside for a while and check the photos. Stock camera always overexposes and misses the details on the cloud in the sky, but the Gcam kept proper color and proper details on the clouds. This is a macro shot taken by the stock camera's macro mode, which you cannot use in Gcam. Stock camera's macro mode is already good enough. Okay, first after installing the Gcam app, you have to open the app and click on high quality image and then go to advanced and enable the HDR plus control. You can use instantaneous HDR plus enhanced if you don't have time to click HDR plus photos. Okay, you are already down here, and if you want to take night shots, make sure that your hand is stable, and if you want to take astro shots, then do keep your phone in a completely stable place because it detects your position with sensors that the phone is completely steady or not, because if the phone isn't steady, it won't take astro photographs. Okay, let me make one thing clear for you guys, that if you can already use the pro mode of the stock camera efficiently, then don't even bother installing the Gcam app, because Samsung's pro mode is far better than the Google camera port app, because you can adjust every setting according to your needs and you can take even better night shots than the Gcam app. This video was a little time consuming for me to make. If this video was of any help to you guys, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon. Thank you all for watching. May we meet again in the next episode, inshallah. Peace out.